Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you how to use and how to set up Facebook Pay. If you've never heard of Facebook Pay before, it's a really easy way to pay for things and to request and send money to friends using Facebook and other apps that Facebook owns. So it's rolling out to Instagram, for example, in the Messenger of Instagram, it's on Facebook Messenger, and it's also on WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you how to set it up here on the Facebook app. Then I'll show you how to actually send and request money from your friends. It's really easy to use. And I also will put a link to this page where it shows you the different regions in the world at the time that you're watching this video, and if Facebook Pay is available in that country, and if it's available on Instagram and other apps as well. This is a very complete page for that. Okay, so to launch Facebook Pay and to set it up, we just have to open Facebook, the Facebook app here, and I'm gonna press the three lines right here, and you could go ahead and look for Facebook Pay here. I've already used it, so it shows up over here. In your case, it may be somewhere down here, around here, Facebook Pay. You could also press the search icon here and just type out Facebook Pay. Type out Facebook Pay, you'll see it up here. Let's go ahead and click it. And here, the first thing you typically want to do on this page is you need to add a credit card or debit card or link your PayPal if you have PayPal, because you cannot send money to anyone or withdraw the money that people send you if there is no method of payment attached to it. If you don't do it on this page, and I won't do it right now, so I show you that it gives you another chance to do it if you don't do it here. But I recommend typically you set this up first. For example, if you press add credit or debit, you could see it brings you to this page where you could do that. Next, scroll down. I want to do one more thing here. Go to settings, and you want to create a PIN for yourself. So if you turn this on, it's going to ask you to create a PIN just to make this a little bit more secure here. So just in case someone logs in with your Facebook, they still would need to know this PIN to secure your account or to access your account. You could always use Face ID too if you have iPhone like I do here. Okay, so how do you send or request money to people? It's simple. All the people from your Facebook friend list will show up over here. If they do not, you could also press search and it will bring you into the Messenger app. Now, this is taking place in Messenger. I'll make another video on how to set this up on Instagram if you want to use it just on Instagram. But once you set this up, you could just get access to all your friends or search for anybody here. I'll select someone. So once you do select someone here, it opens up this page and it's really simple here. Type in the amounts you want to pay or request from them. That's all you have to do here. Then add a note, whatever it's for. And then you could go ahead and press request, and that will give them a message that you're requesting the amounts here. Or you could press pay. So if I press pay, again, it's gonna bring me to this page. As I mentioned, if you did not set this up, it doesn't know where to get that $5. So it has to have a debit card or a PayPal account attached here so you can send money. Now, this is completely free when you send and receive money to people that are your friends, because it's using debit card, or if it's using PayPal, it will use the PayPal method. So this wouldn't cost you anything for sending and requesting money. If you use a credit card, it's different though, but it won't let you use a credit card to send or request money here. Again, if you request money, it's gonna tell you more about Facebook Pay. You could press OK, and it still is going to bring you to this page. So you have to, at some point, add a debit card or a PayPal account in order to use this. Now back to the Facebook Pay page, because once you do send or request money, your whole activity will show up over here, including payment history. You could also pay for things now using Facebook Pay inside of Facebook Marketplace. If you jump into Facebook Marketplace, and as long as they accept that as form of payment, you could go ahead and pay them the same way. And in order to withdraw money that someone sends you, you actually don't have to do anything. As long as there is a debit card or a PayPal account attached to your Facebook Pay, it automatically transfers that amount. And it does say marketplace purchases paid through messengers do not qualify for purchase protection and only use Messenger to transfer money to trusted friends and family. So I don't know how old this is, but I wanted to show this on screen. In my research, it did show up. So I typically just use this to send money to friends and to family, or to request money from friends and family that I already know. And let me show you one last thing here, because inside of Messenger, you also could do this. So let me go in the Messenger app. So inside of a Messenger conversation in the Messenger app, I could press the person's profile icon right here. And if I scroll down here, there's an option for sending and requesting payments. This is without having to set anything up yet. I could select it, brings me back to the same page. I could type in an amount here, add a note, and pay or request. And it's gonna bring me back to this page where I need to add a debit card and a PayPal account. And as I mentioned, as long as you have a debit card or payment and you receive money, it will create a transfer for you. So you don't actually have to keep a balance on Facebook Pay. Some other apps are like that. The balance sits there and then you have to withdraw that balance here. It will just automatically transfer it. Now it may take some time. I've noticed here it says up to 3 business days here to transfer to your debit card or your bank account, for example. So you may have to wait for that transfer to take place. It might not be in real time, but it's a really easy, free way to send and request money from friend and family using Facebook Pay on a variety of different apps owned by Facebook. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up. I post easy to follow videos just like this one every single day, and I'll see you next time.